If you are looking for a hair growth treatment you can use no matter the location you are in the world, this is the treatment for you. The ingredients are easy to find and it's very easy to make. Keep watching this
Well,
video.
hello, beautiful people. We're back with another video, and I'm about to wash my hair. So, I want to make the hair mask I'm going to use to wash my hair now. It's a very simple mask. My ingredients are here. Very simple ingredients, also. This is fenugreek. I also have some hibiscus leaves, dried hibiscus leaves. I bought these from the market. That's why they are in the black nylon bag. So, let me take this. So hibiscus leaves. If you are in Nigeria, these leaves are called zobo leaves. They are very easy to find. It's a protein mask. So I have 2 eggs. The first thing I'm going to do is to cook some of my ingredients. Just the hibiscus leaves and some fenugreek seeds. I'm going to make a tea. You can put whatever quantity you want. I'm just putting the quantity that I think is going to produce enough tea that will go around my whole head. And then my fenugreek. I'm adding fenugreek for sleep and for intense moisture. So I'm going to add 3 spoons of fenugreek. That should do it.
After cooking my ingredients, I transferred it to my immersion blender cup and I used my blender to blend everything to a pulp. Now I had to use the immersion blender because it was still hot when I blended it. I like to blend treatments like this when they are still hot because it's easier to get out all the parts that I need, whereas if I leave it until it cools down before blending, everything will coagulate or stiffen up and it may be more difficult to blend. So go ahead and blend it and you should have something like this. I didn't want to add too much water to my mixture while blending because I was going to add eggs and the eggs were going to lighten the consistency of the mixture. So after that, I just transferred it to a sieve. You can also use a cheesecloth or whatever filter will allow you squeeze out the part of the mask that you need. After that, just throw away the chaff. You're not going to use that. Now I love this mask because first is a protein mask. The reason I'm making this mask a protein mask is because I've been experiencing breakage recently and I'm trying to reduce that breakage. I also feel like I need some more protein added to my hair mask. So for me, egg works very well in terms of protein. So I just give my mask a twist and I add 2 eggs to that. So you can see the consistency of my mask. The fenugreek gives it great sleep and the fenugreek and the hibiscus gives great moisture to the hair. This mask generally helps to improve the texture of the hair. It helps to strengthen your hair, reduce breakage and hair loss. It helps to keep your hair moisturized. It helps to boost hair growth and it helps to keep your hair and your scalp healthy. It also helps to reduce any scalp diseases or problems you may face like dandruff, itching, etc. And because of the color of the hibiscus leaves, it helps to give your hair a darker shade. It's not a permanent dye per se, but it gives your hair a darker shade which lasts for quite some time. So this is my mask. I had beat my eggs into it and you can see the color of the mask changing from a red or a dark red to a purple. That's because of the eggs. Also, if you add some water to your mask, the color will continue to change and become purple or dark purple. transferring my mask to my applicator bottle, I'm going to apply it to my hair. Now, I like to apply it to my hair in sections, and I wet each section of hair before applying the mask to help the mask to be distributed evenly all over my head and to help it to be more effective. I don't apply my masks on dry hair because it will just not work so well. I like to use water so that when I apply the mask, it works even better. For the usage of this mask, I'm using a protein mask every week. Now, this may be too much for some people. You don't have to use a protein mask every week, but I have a goal. I'm trying to reduce my breakage seriously. So I'm using a protein mask every week for at least the next month. So I'm going to leave the mask in my hair for 15 to 20 minutes after applying it. But I'm going to proceed with my wash day per usual. So this is me just applying the mask to my hair. It's a very simple process. Just apply it to your hair. It gets into the hair very easily and it does not sit on the hair once you apply water first to open up the cuticle before applying the mask. So I just repeated this process for my entire head. You don't need to use a heated cap for this mask because you don't want to cook the product into your hair, especially because of the egg. So you can just put a plastic cap over your head and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. After applying the mask to each section, I twisted each section and put it into bantu knots. And that was basically it. That's this mask. Very simple, very easy to make. And the quantity I made lasted for one use. You can make whatever quantity that's going to last you for one use. Try not to make something that will last and remain for next time. There's no need leaving it for next time. Just make what you need for that exact use. That's it for this video, guys. I hope we learned a thing or two. If you have questions or comments, just leave them down below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.